Silver just did something most people completely missed. While everyone was watching the price bounce around, three critical signals flashed across the market. Signals that tell us exactly where this is headed next. Nate Saint here with Peak Life Wealth, helping you protect your hard-earned money from inflation and build real, lasting wealth. Most people think silver's rise is just supply and demand, but what's actually happening is far more strategic. In the next 5 minutes, I'm showing you three signals that prove this isn't just a rally. It's a structural shift. The first signal is the premium gap. Right now, the paper price of silver on the COMEX shows one number, but the physical price in Shanghai, sometimes $5 to $9 higher per ounce. This gap is staying open, and that's the signal. In a normal market, traders would buy cheap in New York, ship to Shanghai, sell high. That's arbitrage. It closes gaps within hours. But when the gap stays open for days or weeks, it means the metal can't move freely, or the cost of moving it is too high. Right now, we're seeing both. China implemented export licensing on January 1st. Getting silver out of China isn't just expensive now, it's conditional. You need approval, paperwork, time. The West is pricing silver like it's abundant. The East is pricing it like it's scarce. That premium gap is the market screaming that physical silver is worth more than paper says. When buyers pay $5 to $9 over spot just to secure delivery, the real price hasn't been discovered yet. This is the market repricing reality. Second signal, delivery demand. December 2025, the COMEX saw over 12,700 delivery notices. That's 63 million ounces of physical metal demanded in 1 month. That's 8% of annual global mining supply in 1 month, during a holiday week. Normally, futures contracts get rolled or settled in cash. Traders don't want the metal, but delivery demand spiked. Behavior changed. Industrial buyers, battery makers, solar companies, electronics producers, they're standing for delivery. They're saying, I don't want cash, I want the metal. Why? They're terrified they won't get it later. Think about a factory manager at Samsung or Tesla. No silver means the line stops. Line stops means millions lost per hour. So when they see supply tightening, export restrictions, premiums rising, they don't wait, they panic buy. This is inelastic demand. Price matters less than availability. When inelastic demand hits shrinking supply, only one variable adjusts: price. The delivery surge proves the industrial world is front-running the shortage. They're securing inventory at $75 because they know it might look cheap in 3 months. Third signal changes everything. The Fed's emergency liquidity injection. December 26, 2025. The Fed quietly injected over $17 billion into the repo market. No press conference. Emergency operation to keep banks liquid. Why does this matter for silver? Banks that are short silver needed cash to meet margin calls. When silver hit 70 cents on $7, their losses mounted so fast they tapped the Fed's emergency window just to stay solvent. The Federal Reserve printed $17 billion to bail out banks that bet against silver. Two things this tells you. First, the banks are trapped. They're short a physical asset they can't print. Second, the Fed is now involved. They'll print whatever it takes to prevent collapse. But here's the trap. Printing money to save banks from a silver squeeze makes silver go higher. Printing devalues the dollar. Weak dollar means silver rises. Banks need more cash. Fed prints again. Feedback loop. This is why $100 silver isn't prediction. It's policy outcome. Let's recap. Premium gap tells us physical silver is worth more than paper says. Delivery surge tells us industrial buyers are panicking. Fed's injection tells us the system is breaking. These signals aren't speculation. They're structure. The old system where paper-controlled price is failing. The new system where physical scarcity sets price is taking over. If you've been waiting for the right time to protect your wealth, this is it. Signals are flashing. Window is closing. Go to the link in my bio for the free inflation-proof wealth system guide. This is the guide I wish someone had given me, and I want to help you the same way. I'm watching things closely, and will keep you updated as this unfolds. You now know what most people don't. The next update could change everything, so make sure you're here for it. Stay sharp, stay stacked, and I'll see you in the next one.